Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today video is about the, how to import points and description more than the description. If there are extra type of columns or you want to add, so what will you do? For example, if I have point file here, you can see this is up to here, this normal point, easting, northing, this elevation and this description. Then I have the type of trees, then it's get, and then the condition. So I have extra columns regarding to this point. So if I want to this on this tab, so if I want to import this to civil 3D file, you can see here from here file. If I on this tab, I will select the point name is point, the file name is point, so I will enter P, and then now you can see this file. When I click open, you can see here it's only I have point northing, easting, the elevation and description. I don't have these columns for the other. If I click here, you can see there nothing about the date. It's oak or palm trees, or the condition is good, or the get is 1.2. So how you will add this description or anything else to your point to import this? I will leave it now. So for that one, I will go to the setting, and the setting is the point. So I will add here from the point user defined property classification. You can see here I will use some new definition for this one. This is the one here. I will right click here. What I want to add here, suppose the type of tree type. From here the string is better, default value. If there is no definition, you can enter no NA. Okay. Then again you can add another one from here. The dia. The dia is an elevation or double or distance. You can add from here. If nothing, you put 0. Default value is 0. If dia of tree, okay, and again a new one, the condition. So here, okay, if there is nothing unknown, write unknown. If known, and if there is nothing, no description, write unknown by default. Okay. Then I add the here the user defined property 3 here. Then I will go to point file format, because already I have this one point easting, northern, good elevation, and this one for the space, and this one for the comma. So I will copy this one to the, I will write here for the trees, or my, I will write here this one my, I will understand it. And here already I have one easting, northing, elevation, description. I will add here the one I created, the tree type, and I will click OK. Then here I will add the dia of tree, and then from here I will add condition. Here you can specify what you want from here. This From here format option, this is comma delimited, so I select this one and I press OK. The format I created, it will be here, this one. Okay, for the label style, first let's bring this one, then we can edit the label style also. Now let's go to the prospector, and from here create. From the file I will select the same file from the desktop. I will enter P and then open. Then I will select my point number here, and now you can see for easting, northing, elevation and description. You can see the tree type, and then I selected the dia and the condition. Now you can see here all is included here, whichever I needed. You can add this to the group you want. If you don't have group, you can press OK. Now you can see here it's appear here. Okay, one thing to bring with all this description and type and the more column we are added here. So if I go to the properties, point group property, if I open here, you can see now I have points, I have elevation, the description. But other thing, if I want to know what type of tree is this one, and this condition and if I need that one, so what will I do? Already from here I can add. So for that one I will again go to the setting tab. From here, as you know, this one is the label style, because this label, so you must go to label style. So this is the table style, the label style. Okay, from label style, now this one is currently in use, so I will take copy from this one. I will take copy. From here I will write my, you can write anything you want. And the layout, already these three things are added here, the point number. If you want to add more with this, or you delete this one and add new one, this depending on you. From here you can add, or just go to here, and then you can see this description. From here just add new text. Already these three are here, so just add new text from here. This the text number one. So right here, suppose this name is tree type. Okay, the attachment is bottom. You can see here, and from here is also bottom center. So move this to bottom right or left, or attach this one to see the top, the middle, or the bottom. Okay, we can adjust from here. Okay, this also from bottom center. The x value, the x value is like this one, and the y value is suppose I will add -1, and let's check if it is coming down. So okay, -5, and check this one, -9 here. Okay, the this and the x, if you want to add one method, it's like this. You can adjust your point where you want to show. It will be exactly from here, you can see. Okay, 9 9, let's check the, okay, it's good now. So this the label style, what will be the text type here, the text type appear in my here, this the tree type. So a tree type, I will select this one and then press OK. If no description, it will appear by default, this one will exit here. Okay, apply and OK. Then the next thing, the tree type, then again I will add another text, which, so this dia up tree right here. The same uh, procedure from here. This the button center. This the also button center. The here this was 9, so here you can add 12 like this one, and also here 12 minus sign will be when it's down like this one. Go to here and select the diag tree and here. Okay, again add the new one here, text condition, same process. From here it's right 15 and minus 15. So the text is the go to your condition and add this one and press OK, apply and OK. Now just go to this point, the point style group, select from here and select the mic. What you write name there, just write this one. And now if I decrease the scale for this one, you can see here monthly. This the tree type is oak here. So just go to this style and the this one which I use it here. This the distance, the tree, the type here. The tree type is looking good. You can adjust this one to 5 like this one. So 5. Right this okay. And then you can see here or delete this one. How you need this one, you can adjust from this one. So now you can see the type of tree with the girth and the condition like this. You can add anything you want, suppose anything utility like this. If you want a label, different type of label, you can create your own. So this was today video. Hopefully you will practice